Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell.
All right, before we dive in, here's a bold take. Huawei is leading the foldables game. Others follow. Agree or totally off? Drop your take. There's been wild noise, time travel plagiarism, cyber accusations, but none of it changed one thing. People love the Pura X. Numbers don't lie. Even with a slow start, it hit 1.5 million sales, and one model beat the next 3 foldables combined. That got me thinking, what makes foldables so addictive? I had to try it myself, and today we're only talking hardware. If you want software, we'll dive into that another time. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. All right, let's get right into the unboxing. Let's start with the name, Pura X Max. What does it mean? To me, it's the bigger, more advanced sibling, not a reboot. It sits above the regular Pura X. Good news, the standard line isn't going anywhere. So where does Max hit different? The outer display. Regular Pura X has a 3.5-inch square screen. The Max jumps to 5.4 inches with a wider ratio. Instantly reminded me of the iPhone 12 mini. Plus, the phone is wider, 85 millimeters, and surprisingly comfy to hold. Honestly, this screen alone might tempt upgrades. It's just more usable. Even if it shows slightly fewer lines, the actual space feels bigger. Apps like Xiaohongshu, totally different vibe. You get 3 full columns, and as you scroll, the UI fades away. Just content. Smooth. Endless. Weirdly addictive. Now, pick it up, you'll feel it. 229 grams, solid. But the design helps. That camera bump, perfect finger rest. Flip to the back, nice touch here. The camera ring isn't plastic, it's ceramic. Smooth, almost jade-like. Feels premium. Mine's olive gold, clean, subtle, classy. But yeah, not perfect. The glossy frame, fingerprint magnet. You'll be wiping it a lot. And those flat edges? I'm not fully sold. The old curved frames felt better. Kind of miss those. All right, open it up. You get a 7.7-inch inner display, same ratio as the outer display. I compared it with an 8.8-inch tablet. Honestly, not far off. Turn it on, bright, really bright. Outdoors, no problem. Auto brightness reacts fast and visibility stays strong. And the crease? One of the best Huawei's done. Even pricier foldables struggle here. If crease bugs you, this is a solid pick. Since the screen is the star, I had to test videos. Side by side, it's clearly wider, about a fingertip more. In landscape, you feel it. In portrait, even more. Watching videos? Definitely better. Bigger screen, more fun. But yeah, you still get black bars, not fully edge to edge like the standard Pura X. Audio? Tested with a cloud player. Sounds good overall. Then gaming. Fired up a quick match of King of Glory. Runs smooth. Right now, you get HD plus 120 Hz together. Higher frame modes like 4X still need some polish. All right, let's crank things up. Time for Genshin Impact. And here's the twist. It doesn't hold a perfectly stable frame rate, but good news, it stays cool. No crazy heat. On HarmonyOS, it actually feels smoother. Quick tip, turn off frame interpolation, open the game assistant, and switch to standard mode under high performance. Makes a difference. But 2 games, not enough, so I pushed harder. Unreal Engine Constellation Mode. Basically a stress test for Unreal Engine 5. And yeah, this is where things struggle. Within a minute, thermal throttling kicks in. GPU drops below 378 MHz. FPS caps around 30. You'll feel stutters. Not ideal. If you're playing UE5 games, lower the settings. Trust me. Ran it again, same story. GPU stuck, performance flat. Compared to other Android chips like 8-2 and 8-3, it's more efficient than 8-2 but clearly behind 8-3. Still, with these thermal limits, it did better than expected. Now I'm curious what Huawei does next, especially with the Mate 90 Pro Max. After all this, one thing is clear. This isn't built for long, heavy gaming sessions, especially on a foldable. If you really want to game, get a cooling clip. It's basically a must. Now, battery life. This part surprised me. I tested with auto brightness on the whole time, mixed usage, outer and inner screens between 4,000 and 6,000 seconds. Total, 10 hours and 37 minutes. That's solid. Around 7 hours on the outer screen, videos and browsing, then 3 hours and 37 minutes inside, including recording, calls, gaming, and over 2 hours of video. But here's the crazy part. At 1%, it lasted over 20 minutes. That's impressive. All right, cameras. I kept expectations low, especially comparing to the Oppo Find X8 Ultra. First portrait shot, AI went overboard. Skin looked too smooth, almost pale, not natural. Next, color issues. Greens looked inconsistent, sky had a weird reddish tint. Not great. But then, different scene, different result. Colors improved, and zooming in, the main camera actually gave the best detail. Telephoto, decent. Good light, fine. Change the lighting, and you might see a green tint. Macro, just okay, you decide. Overall, photo quality feels like standard flagship level. Not top tier, not bad. Video, didn't test much, but stabilization needs work. Firmware still feels a bit rough, room to improve. I also tried the X Magic Selfie and AI pose features. Honestly, poses felt limited. Maybe I need more time with it, but the AI composition tool, way more useful. If framing's your weakness, that helps a lot. Now, price. The Huawei Pura X Max starts at 10,999 yuan in China. That's about 1,193 pounds or $1,613. So, worth it? Not a simple yes or no. If you care about resale value, history says maybe not. But if you like what it offers, can accept the flaws, and it fits your needs, then yeah, it can be worth it. Value is personal. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.